to talk about gifts for woodworkers. So if you're a woodworker and want to make sure you get the right gift this year, be sure and share this list with someone you know will have your best interest in mind. Or take this list and buy it for yourself. That's always a good way to get what you need. So I'm going to start off with a couple of essential tools, the hand plane. If you really want to impress your woodworker, get him a wood river from Woodcraft, or even get online and order a Lee Nelson plane. They're the best you can buy. They'll really be happy with that tool, with that plane, with the precision that they provide. If your woodworking leads you into joinery and you want to have precise measurements for tenons or mortises, this is a dual marking gauge from Veritas. It is an excellent tool, quite expensive, about 56 bucks, but when you're making precision, you need a precision tool. This is an excellent choice. A favorite specialty tool is a spoke shave. This is a spoke shave for carving shapes or carving spindles, or anytime you have something hard to reach. The spoke shave can be bought. They're really quite inexpensive compared to other planes. My favorite tool as far as the saw is this Japanese pull saw. It cuts on the pull cut rather than the push cut like Western saws. This is such a neat tool, very small kerf. The woodworker in your family will be really surprised and pleased with the accuracy and precision of this tool. If your woodworking leads you to make precision and you're making cornering your own lumber, milling up your own lumber, you need a tri-square for accuracy, something that's precision and to the point. Small but accurate is the key here. And if you're doing measurements, my favorites is 1, 2, 3 blocks. These are precision milled blocks, 1 inch this way, 2 inches that way, and 3 inches in length. Anytime I'm marking measurement from 1 to 6 inches, I always pull these out. Speaking of measurement, let's talk about tape measures for a minute. If you're talking about tape measures, these all look identical. But if you're doing woodworking, what you really want to get is a tape measure that is marked in 1/8 of an inch. So this is a nice $8 or $9 measuring tape. And when you're measuring exact measurements, this is a superb way to do it. So when you're in the shop, you want to protect your woodworker or yourself. Safety goggles are a key. Or if you're like me, and sometimes you wear glasses when you saw, I actually prefer a full face shield. This is great. You can flip it up, flip it down, still have air circulation. Wood chips don't get in your eyes when you're sawing. This is a superb way. I prefer this one myself. So the last item on my list is dust collection. You think this bucket is full enough? You could never fill this up. 4 or 5 boards on my planer, I got to empty it out. You'd be surprised how fast you can fill up one of these things. I got this at Rockler. It's well worth the bucks. Alexa, play the Woodworker song.
Here's the Woodworker by Folding Up on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. You can't work without your music. You got to get you one of these Amazon Echoes. They're really cool. You can talk to it, tell it to play, tell it to stop. You'll find a lot of entertainment in your Echo. So if you liked our video on gifts for woodworkers, be sure and give us a thumbs up. Be sure and check out our other videos, 15 tools under $15. And the third one is tools I didn't know I needed to become a woodworker. I'll put links down below so you can find those. All the items I've shown in the video today, you can find links below so you can go to Amazon to buy those if you wish. So if you want to see some of our shop videos and construction videos, consider subscribing down below. And as usual, come back and see us real soon.